Hey, it's Jim with Absolute Idaho. We could do another video. I know I've talked on the last two about redoing the little giant 25-pound electric power hammer. I think I'm going to get started on that project because I need the motor off it to do my concrete mixer project. So I figured I'd just take it over and get it started, start breaking it down, and take the paint off, remove everything, degrease it as much as can. I can't take it outside. It's too heavy to maneuver. It'd be nice to take it outside and spray, but a nice sunny day too. But I'm not going to be able to do that, so I have to do it inside the shop. And to do that, I'm going to have to just do things a little different. But sit back, enjoy the ride. I won't talk too much during the whole thing, but you'll get a first-person perspective on what I'm doing, and you can comment if you'd like in the comments, and if you have any questions. And it's probably going to be multi-video, I'm guessing, because it's going to take a little while to do. I think I've got to pour the babbitt and probably replace some springs and some pins and all the paint, obviously, the motor, some wiring, the bracket to hold the motor. I'm not using the original one. It's just too old, too bad, and I've got the means to cut a new one and make a nice one, so I'm going to do that. Anyway, sit back and enjoy the ride. Well, there it sits, all by itself. Seems so tiny. You get it away from all the other stuff. But definitely needs to be rebuilt. Washers are sliding out. That's actually got an obvious angle to it. Pins are there, and you got ovaled holes. These pins need to be replaced. So do the dies. Probably original, I don't know. Oh yeah, that's got an obvious angle to it. Babbitts need to be redone. This motor mount needs to be redone because it's just hideous. The welding's hideous. It's all hideous. Even the way they have it on there, I don't know what that's all about, but I'm going to change that too. I did put a new cord on it, and that's about the newest thing it's got. Looks like all of it's still together though. It's just greasy and dirty, and pivots are all there. At least I don't have any cracks or anything in it. See guys that have cracks in these things sometimes, and they're still using them, but it is approximately 100 years old, so the fact that it's still a usable machine is pretty cool. You can tell some stuff's been replaced. I mean, galvanized washers. That one doesn't even have a washer. Well, I guess it does, but anyway, it does need to be replaced. Okay, it's going to be fun getting all that grease out of there. Flywheel. I have to put some new clutch blocks on it, although they don't actually look that bad. We won't know until I get them apart. They're made out of wood, so just do some new oak and put my own brand in it. That'd be good. Probably going to paint it. Are you ready for this? Probably going to paint it, well, orange, because that's my favorite color. And it's safety. Everybody loves that, right? Watch out. It's a power hammer. Don't hurt yourself. Anyway, there it is. I guess I'll just start getting some tools together and get it ready to break down and